Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset a Panasonic cordless phone. If you want to reset a Panasonic cordless phone, then you will need to follow some steps. First, ensure the phone and the TGP 500 base are powered on. Second, hold the button 159 and star at the same time to initiate the factory reset on the phone. Wait for the beep and for the phone to be powered off and do not power back on. Third, power cycle the TGB 500 base station by unplugging it for 10 to 20 seconds. Fourth, after the TGP 500 base has turned back on, take the batteries out of the phone and wait a few moments before plugging them back in. And in the last, once the phone turns on, the factory reset should be complete. That's it. You will need to press 1, 5, 9 and the star. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.